Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. I wanted to share with you my favorite green smoothie. This is a very nutritious and delicious green smoothie. So I do 2 cups of baby spinach. I do about 3/4 of a cup of no-fat yogurt, vanilla yogurt, a cup of apple juice, a cup of mango chunks, and a cup of peaches that are frozen, and 1 banana. So, you know, the health benefits of spinach are well known. The potassium in the banana will keep me going, and the probiotics in this yogurt is healthy for me. So it does have a lot of calories in it. Probably by the time everything is in here, we're talking close to 400 calories, but that will get me to dinner. I mean, and if you're talking about a 12 to 1300 calorie a day diet, this will be perfect. And then you eat a nice, filling, healthy supper. So here we go. And the blender that I use, and I love this blender, and this is not as expensive as the Vitamix, but it works perfect for a smoothie. And this is the Ninja. And it has a smoothie function. It has, you know, different functions, but it makes an awesome smoothie. So I'm just gonna put my wet ingredients in first. So my cup of apple juice. And about 3/4 of a cup of yogurt. Finished up this container. So it's probably a little less than 3/4 of a cup, but it's perfect. Then goes in the fresh ingredients. 2 cups of baby spinach. And I love the spinach, so I load it up there. This is a great way to get spinach in your diet, guys. All right, and then the banana will go in. And you could use frozen banana if you have it. I'll just add more of the creaminess to the smoothie, but I have fresh bananas, so I'm going to use them. Okay, then a cup each of the frozen mango. Put spinach in there. Might as well just finish that one off. The frozen peaches. And the biggest calorie, I'll count out the calories. So in 3/4 of a cup, this calls for 2/3 of a cup, and it's 80 calories. So I used probably about 2/3 today because it wasn't quite 3/4. So that's 80 calories. A banana is about 100 calories, so that's 180. 2 cups is only 20, so there's 200 calories. A cup of this apple juice is 110, so 310. And then we have 60 calories for 10 pieces. I probably had 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So yeah, we'll go with this 360, and then this is 80 for a cup. 360, so 440. So 400, I thought 400 calories. But that should be enough to get me to lunch, to supper, to lunch. All right, so here we go. And I'm just gonna put this on the smoothie button, and it will do its thing for me. Pieces of spinach that didn't quite go down all the way, so I'm just gonna push them down. All right, and I'm just gonna give that a couple more pulses. Keep that. Big, huge Pioneer Woman mason jar. That's probably about 16. It's probably about 16 ounces, I would say. 2 cups. And by the time I finish drinking this, I'll sip this probably for the next half hour or so. And that will get me, like I say, through to supper. Now you could add protein powder if you like protein powder in your smoothie. I don't. I don't like protein powder at all. I've tried it a million times. I don't like it. So I don't add protein powder. You could add chia seeds. You could add whatever you wanted to this to give it that boost of whatever it is that you normally would put in your smoothie. I just like it like this. Delicious. You can taste I think the first taste that comes through is banana, but then you get the mango and the peach, and then the green spinach comes in at the end. It's delicious. It's absolutely delicious. I love this smoothie. I've been making this smoothie for years. You can change things up with the smoothie as well. You can add in plain yogurt and a little, maybe just a little tiny bit of vanilla extract. You can change out the yogurt and the apple juice for coconut milk or coconut water even. Just add more to give it the consistency to make a smoothie. Like I said, you can add frozen bananas. So I would stick with the fresh spinach though. So yeah, that's my healthy green smoothie. I hope you'll give it a try, guys. I hope you'll let me know if you do. I hope I've inspired you to maybe try a smoothie on your own. Please let me know what your recipes are for your smoothies. I would love to give them a try. And if there's something you'd like to see, I will definitely make it and give it a taste and do a review. I thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button, and I hope you'll hit that like button, and I hope you'll come back. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye for now.